Hi, pair of linear equation with two variables, class 10th. Now the exercise we are working out is exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. The equations are, we have to bring it to a pair of linear equation by reducing. So how it is done? Let us see. The first question, I repeat the side heading, is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations into variables. Okay, what is the first question? First question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Here we cannot find out the LCM and make it a cross multiplication. It's not possible to, it's not a linear equation too. Okay, so how to work out? So look at here. Now if 1 by x is the same term here and there, okay, in the both equations, so 1 by x I'll take as a or anything you can consider it as. Next, look at the 1 by y. So 1 by y I'll take it as a b. Had it been 1 by 2, then we would have taken 1 by 2x itself a, and 1 by 3y, 1 by 3y if it had, but it's not there. It's the variables are different only. So only 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b will be taking out. Now write the pair of linear equation reform. Okay, how to write it? Now 1 by x is a, 1 by x is a, 1 by x is a. In the denominator something is remain, that is 2. Again 1 by y is nothing but b. So let me write 1 by y is equal to b. So in the denominator 3 is remaining, it is 2. This is the first equation. First equation we have to bring it in the same term. So 2 3s are 6. 6 is the LCM. So it should be multiplied by the 3. 2 3s are 6. 3a plus 3. How many are 3? 2s are 2. So 2b is equal to, the 6 goes to the other side. 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 2s are 12. This is the first equation. We get the one equation, right? What about the another? 1 by 3y. Sorry, I'm working out this one. 1 by x is there. 1 by x we have taken as a by 2 plus this is a by 3, and b by 1 by y is equal to b. 1 by y, look at here, 1 by y is equal to b divided by 2. b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now again the LCM we have to find out. 3 2s are 6. So this should be multiplied with the 2, numerator also 2, 2a plus 2 should be multiplied with the 3, numerator also 3, 3b, 13 by 6. The 6 and 6 we can cancel it directly. No need of carrying out here and there cross multiplication. If the numbers are different, then we have to do the cross multiplication. But here it's an easier way. It is given 3b is equal to 13. This is the second equation. Okay, this is the second equation. Let us do the, now that we have a clear linear equation we have, let us solve out. 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Simplify. This is the first equation, this is the two equations. Since the variables are not same, I'll be eliminating the a term, so I should multiply this with the 2 and the second should be multiplied with the 3. 2 3s are 6, 6a, 2 2s are 4b, 2 2s are 24, 3 2s are 6a, 3 3s are 9b, 3 13s are 39. Simplification, change the sign, minus minus minus, it get cancelled. 4b minus 9b is nothing but minus 5b, bigger number sign. 14 minus 39 minus 24, plus and minus big larger number. So 39 minus 24 is 15. So b is equal to minus 15 minus 5 into b, when comes is the divided, 5 1s are 5 3s are. So b is equal to 3. We got the b is equal to 3 value. Now substitute this in the value of in the equation first or second, any value. Substituting b is equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay, what is the equation 1? 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Okay, 3a plus 2 into b is 3, 12. 3a is equal to 2 3s are 6, When I carried that side, the minus 6 it will become. A is equal to minus 6 is 6 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 3 2 0. So A is equal to 2. It's not over. Our problem is not over. We need to find the value of x and y. Okay, we need to find out the value of x and y. What is b? What is a? A is equal to nothing but 1 by x. A is equal to 1 by x is equal to a. 1 by x is equal to, what is the a value? What is the a value? It's 2. So x will move that side, that is 1 by 2. 2 will come this side. So x is nothing but 1 by 2. B 1 by y is equal to b. B is nothing but 3. 1 by y is equal to 3. We need the y value. So it will become, when it comes, is 3y. 3y is equal to 1. We need only the y value. Okay. We need only the y value. 1 into 3 when moves to the other side divided by. This is the two values for linear pair of equations. That is, x is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 3. What's the common mistake we do? We stop the problem still here. I found out a and b. It's not the clear solution. Clear solution, we have to find out the x and y. So we have to carry out one more step, that is to what we have taken is equal to. Okay. Problem second, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. How to solve out this? First, let us 1 by root x is equal to, take 1 by root x is equal to a or a p, q, anything we can take. 1 by root y is equal to b. So first equation, 2, actually the equation is this way, 2 into 1 by root x. 1 by root x, what we taken as a. So in the place of 1 by root x, that is a. That will become 2a. So this equation will become 2a plus 3b, because 1 by root y is equal to b is equal to, and 4a, 1 by root 5 is b, 3b is equal to minus 1, 9b minus 9b. Okay, you got two equations, 1 and 2. Try out with the. Let us go from the problem number 7, that is 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here we have to carry twice the elimination step. So how to work out? Let us 1 by x plus y. Here 1 by x plus y, we are taking it as a, and 1 by x minus y, we are taking it as a b. So what happens? This one, 10a plus 2b is equal to 4, and this equation becomes 15a, because 1 by x plus y we are taken as a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Since the coefficients are not same, we have to multiply, and I'll be eliminating here the b term. So this first equation I should multiply with the 5, and second equation I should multiply with the 2. Let us check. 5 tens are 50a plus 10b, 5 fours are 20, 2 15s are 30a, 2 5s are 10b, 2 2s are minus 4, it is minus 4. Already signs are different, so directly we can cancel, no need to change the sign there. 50a 30a, that is 80a is equal to 20 minus 14, that is 16. So a is equal to 16 by 80 is equal to 16 ones are 16 5s are, it's not 5, I mean it's not, the answer is not 5, answer is 1 by 5. A is equal to 1 by 5. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 5 in equation 1. So equation 1 I have substituted in equation 1. Directly I'll do 10 into a is nothing but 1 by 5a. 2b is equal to 4. Okay, 5 ones are 5 2s are, so 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. B is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by this into 2 carried out that side, that is 2 ones are 2 ones are. So b is equal to 1. It's not over at all. I have told you what we taken we must write. Now I'll be carrying out the next step. 1 by x plus y is equal to a. What is a? We got 1 by 5. So when we do the cross multiplication, 5 is equal to x plus y. The different equation, I mean one more equation we get, see 3 and equation 1 and 2 equations we have here, and third, what's the next equation we get? Let us see. 1 by x minus y, we have taken b as a b is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to, carry that side, x minus y. This is the fourth equation, right? Now work out x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Solve it again, you need to solve it again. So plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 is substituted in this equation, that is nothing but third equation. Okay, so what happens? X plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5, x is nothing but 3, 3 minus 3, y is equal to this is the actual value. Okay, work out the rest problems. We have 8 problems in that exercise. Okay, work out that one, 8 problems.